All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at waves here. So, waves had a decent pump to the upside. Ultimately, though, it is getting stuck. These wicks here do not look good. It looks like the top is in, and you're going to come crashing back down. If we were to zoom out on the weekly, the 3 day, and the monthly, you are at some sort of a macro support and resistance area. I'll just show you the weekly really quick here. So if we just zoom out, you can see there's support and resistance all along this price level. There's support here back in September of 2020. Back here, there's a little bit of support in 17. So there is some sort of a macro weekly, monthly pivot point here for waves. But just focusing on the smaller time frame here, the daily chart, it looks like you're getting stuck at your 200-day moving average, and you're trying to hold support at 214, right at that macro resistance or support turn resistance level. I would say if you can maintain this 214 level, if you can hold on to the top here, there's a really good chance that you're going to get a nice bounce and try to get over the 200-day moving average. And I would say this, waves over 250, if you can keep 214, get back up here to the 200-day moving average at, what is it, 243, and get over this 243/250 area, there's nothing stopping waves from spiking up to $3 and then 430 up here. So a little bit of hopium there for anybody invested in it, but if you can hold 214, there's a chance that you could come back up about 16%. And if you can get over 250 and break the 200-day moving average, this thing's probably going to spike, like I said, up to 3 for another 40%, or a total of 40%. And then potentially breaking through 3 is going to send you up here to this 430 level for about 100% move on waves. It's all going to depend on if you hold this 214 level. If you cannot hold that, and this is your top, which is more likely, then you're coming back down. And if you want to remain a bullish, you really need to hold the 170 area down here. You can see at this 618. Let me zoom back in here. So you're extremely bullish if you can hold 214, and you may consolidate and you may fall right through it at some point. You may have a green candle spawn in, and you may just shoot up all the way to $3. There's no telling. Nobody knows. But I'm just letting you guys know, as long as you hold 214, you have a lot of gas left in the tank, and you're considered extremely bullish here. But you're not officially bullish, of course, until you get over the 200-day moving average. So that's why I say a break over this 240 to 250 level is going to put some fire under waves, and it's going to start taking off, in my opinion, of course. But with that said, I did not mean to get that out. You can see that if we take out 214, your next stop is the 786 at 190 for about a 11% drop. And then your last line of defense to stay bullish is the 618 at 173 for about a 19% drop. So you could still technically come down here, hit 170, go sideways, and then crawl your way back up. But the moment you lose 173, you are no longer bullish at all, and you will continue your journey to the downside here on waves. It has been in a downtrend, I believe, for about a year now, a little over a year. It has been in this downtrend, I believe, if I could get this to zoom out, since last March. So yeah, or last April rather. So yeah, it's been over a year in this downtrend, and it's trying to make a move here. But ultimately, like I said, it's getting stuck at this little macro resistance point here. So it really needs to break over this price level. And then, like I said, it's going to shoot up here to 3, as you can see here, the $3 area, and then potentially all the way up to the next resistance point at about 438. So those are your prices to watch on waves. Like I said, the top, more likely than not, is already in at that 200-day moving average, and you're going to probably start coming back down here. So just watch these prices to the downside, and we will leave it at that on waves. And with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.